followers to go beyond their self-interest so that they can achieve the goal. Okay, so they don't tell them that they do this task. They actually like they inspire them to do this. Okay, okay, this actually it happens because of this four traits: idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual simulation. Okay, stimulation. It's stimulation. It's a spelling error here. Individual consideration. Okay, so we'll discuss this right now. Okay, we'll see the difference here. Okay, there's a diagram which explains this transactional and transformational leadership model. Okay, here you have active and passiveness in the x-axis, effective and ineffective leaders in the y-axis. Okay, so when the leadership is ineffective and passive, there will be a laissez-faire. So what is this laissez-faire? I think you should have already like heard about this. So people, when we say laissez-faire, it's actually like people avoid responsibilities. They avoid making decisions. Nothing happens there. Okay. When you say management by exception, it's actually on the leadership style is like intervening the people only when they do things wrong. Okay, here you don't take any responsibility, you don't take any action, but here you intervene only when your team does anything wrong. Okay, but in the contingent reward, you actually like reward them, you give them hike of promotion for the effort, you give them, you prize them, you recognize their accomplishments. Okay, so it increases when you're becoming kind of little active, and when you're like transforming yourself towards effectiveness and activeness, your style changes. Okay, so these three things are a part of a leadership style. In transformational, all the four things comes in. Okay, first one is individualized consideration. You give personal attention, you treat each employee individually well, and you coach them, you advise them, you take care of them, you give individual attention to them. That is individualized consideration. Next one is intellectual stimulation. Okay, you promote intelligence, you promote rationality, you teach them how to solve the problems. Okay, you stimulate their intellectual mind. Okay, that is intellectual stimulation. Next, third one is inspirational motivation. Okay, so here you communicate high expectations, uses symbols to focus efforts, express your important purpose in simple ways. I mean, you motivate them. In simple words, you actually motivate them. You tell them what you expect, and then you tell them what to do. Okay, you create a symbol of it. Okay, and the final one is idealized influence. Okay, so first here you give a you tell them provide them a vision and mission, and then you make them feel proud. Okay, that they're part of this organization, and because of that you gain respect and trust. So that happens here. Okay, so when you have transformational leadership, all those four things happen, and you extend your degree of activeness and effectiveness over this style. Okay, so that is the real difference between transactional leaders and transformational leaders. Okay, so all this explanation is like given in the slides. Okay, the final one is online leadership. So right now things have been changed. Oh, okay, yeah, actually due to globalization and liberalization policies that all the countries like overtook, there's a lot of collaboration between a lot of companies throughout the globe. And due to this COVID-19 breakout, everybody has to, all the companies has to work online, okay, with a virtual presence. They're creating a lot of difference. Okay, so this is one of the very great leadership tries that the community might be like needing in the forthcoming days. Okay, so we have like kind of discussed a lot of things today, a lot of theories of leadership, and how can you like differentiate a leader from a manager, and is it like an inborn trait, or you can develop it over a period of time, all those things that we have discussed. Okay, so overall, if you want to be a leader, they have to really trust you. They have to have a faith in you. I mean, they should believe you. Okay, that's very much important to become a leader. Okay, so that's all I have. If you got any questions, you can ask.